2008, okay. Well, I like you got your actual amp rack back here. Very nice.
Thank you.
Is that sealed? Okay, yeah, you do have it sealed off.
Oh, definitely.
That looks good. I like it.
These amps ain't cheap.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Down there is the...
Shop everything audio at bigjeffaudio.com. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. What size alternator do you have?
320 amp alternator.
320, okay.
From JS alternators.
Okay. The Toyota Tundra? Nice.
2008, yeah.
2008, okay. Well, I like you got your actual amp rack back here. Very nice.
Thank you.
Is that sealed? Okay, yeah, you do have it sealed off.
Oh, definitely.
That looks good. I like it.
These amps ain't cheap.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Down there is the 95 amp hour lithium power bank.
Okay.
Running this 17K Crescendo amp.
All right, I'll come around.
Yeah, open that door right there.
Right here?
Yep.
There you go. Did you build this wall?
No, that's actually part of the subwoofer box. It's a 6 order.
Correct. Did you build this? Did you build this in the vehicle or did somebody do it
Yeah,
for
we
you?
had it built into the vehicle.
Okay. Nice. It's really good. Did a really good job sealing it off, get as much space as you could. So
Oh, yeah.
I like it.
Thank you.
So could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Sure. My name is Mike Sperry, and what I have in here is, let's see, start with these subs. 4 Scar Audio EVL 15s, running on a 17K Crescendo with a 95 amp hour lithium bank and a 320 amp alternator, all full tilt, 0 gauge power wire.
Did you build this wall?
My buddy Rich right here and I built it together.
Nice. I like the fur touch and looks like, is that a 6th order or a 4th?
6 order.
6th order, wow.
Yeah.
So that's a really, okay, really small port in the back. What is that tuning? Do you know the tunings on it?
Tunings I forgot, it's been a while.
It's okay. How low do you play down to frequency wise?
I haven't really tested, but
Haven't
it was
tested?
below 20.
Below, so around the low 20 and the high teens, okay. Y'all did a good job building it. I like the fur action. So you had your friend and you helped build it. Do you know anything else about the box, like the top end, bottom end for your cubic size at all? I like it a lot.
Like 2 to 1 ratio.
2 to 1? Okay.
Yeah.
There you go. Did a really good job. What made you go with a 6th order versus a 4th order?
The lows.
The lows. Okay.
Yeah, I'm a lows person.
You are? Okay.
Yeah.
Your name again?
Mike Sperry.
Mike. All right. Shout out to Mike Sperry and everybody give him a like.
Also, I got my own YouTube channel like you
Okay,
do.
go ahead. Yeah, man.
My YouTube channel is Mike Banging 807, and I get a lot of people's reactions to the sound system.
All right.
So check it out.
Yeah, check it out. All right.
Thanks, Jacob.
Yeah, man. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We just got a mic system. Looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds. He was showcasing his low note Tundra truck at the Ruckus and Chill show in Fayetteville, North Carolina in 2022. Did a really good job building it. Go ahead, if you haven't already, give him a like. Go ahead and comment as well. Give him some positive feedback. He did a nice job with the whole install. I really like the way the port was laid out. He had a really low note on the demo you're going to see. That back port is what optimized for that low note. And if you didn't notice, the way he optimized his space with building the enclosure inside the vehicle. Shout out to the builder. He did a really good job. Takes a lot of work to build inside of a vehicle. You can't just slide a box in there, but he got the optimal space to fit this much cone area. And he had an amplifier in the toolbox to be able to have all the room. Couldn't fit that big amplifier on the side of the box rack. Plus, it's safer in the back if you had it sealed off. You could tell he really sealed off the amplifier and battery rack inside of the toolbox. I didn't really get any close shots, sorry about that. I could tell there was really no moisture or water getting inside of the toolbox, so they did a good job of sealing it off. I was really impressed that they were able to fit the cone area they did. 4 15-inch subwoofers inside of this Toyota Tundra truck. Usually I would expect 4 12s, but with having the amplifier in the toolbox kind of gave them the space for that. So we're going to go ahead and get to the car audio bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy the impressive demo.
I'm going to show you a song right here. It plays 21 to 26 hertz.
Okay, yeah, I'm ready.
All right,
Awesome, looking forward to it. That gets pretty low, especially that lower frequency. I'm surprised. It did a really good job.
Yeah.
Man, you got
too.
really good bandwidth. Well, you did a good job. I really appreciate the demo.
Thanks,
your name again?
Mike Sperry.
Mike. All right. Shout out to Mike Sperry, and everybody give him a like.
Thanks, Jacob.
Yeah, man. Shop everything audio at bigjeffaudio.com. Links in the description. Thanks for watching.